as promised, we're working in the Edith Holden-style journal. And I did such a boneheaded thing. I honestly don't know about myself sometimes. I was putting in this book page envelope when I realized this picture over here didn't look right. And it's like, oh no, it's because I have it upside down. What a dummy, huh? What a dummy. So what I'm looking for are things to decorate in the journal that I might already have. And I've got this, I want to stencil this, right? I want to stencil it, but I don't know what I want to stencil it with. It's got to be like legit, right? Like it's got to be more botanical, Edith Holden-ish. And I don't want the big bees on there. I don't want the honey. I don't want the beehives. This would look good. That would look good. Yeah, that would look good. And we're going to do it with the potting soil color. Yeah, I like this. And I kind of like this part. Yeah, and we'll use potting soil, and then maybe I should move it down like this and just get that whole entire envelope. What do you think? Let's find out. And I had the potting soil ink out earlier, but since we're going to use two colors, I don't suppose it would hurt to start with fern green. I hope that's not dried out. No, it's not dried out. Not in the least. Okay, there we go. That's pretty cool. And then, see if I have another one to do the brown. If I can find it. I had it out here earlier. There it is. I really like those, and if I can find more, I'm definitely gonna, like, these I found at Michael's when I went to El Paso. Let's go like that. We'll kind of overlap them a little and see how it looks, right? Can't go wrong. Oh, look at that. I kind of like that. All right, now let's lift it up. And we'll do the brown this time first. And then we'll come in with the green. Okay, there we go. And then I'll put that lace on like I was originally going to. I'll get a nice blend here, I think. Look at that. Yes, I like that. That'll work. And then we're going to fold this down. And then I'm going to put the glue on. Right down the middle here. And then we're going to glue that lace down. And I think that's going to look nice. Oh, I don't know if I told you in the beginning, but I wasn't, yeah, I did, that I had gotten it upside down. Felt so stupid. Okay, so now we have this pretty lace pocket, very basic, but it looks really nice. And we can put something in here. I should have probably notched that pocket, but does it have to be? No. Should I? Maybe. Can I? A whole other question. Let's see if I can get that in there. Maybe. Maybe. Let's see. Yes. Perfect. And I can always glue that back down. All right. Nice save. Okay, so and then later on, I'll figure out something to put in there. It'll fit. I don't know if these will fit or not. Nope, too tall. See, that has to close. And that's too wide, so we aren't even going to mess with that. We'll figure it out later. Maybe I can put a little DIY journaling card in there. And then, yeah, so I was starting out. I thought I had this side, but I didn't. So we got one page done in the very back. No biggie, right? Looks pretty good. Oh, and I could do, since we were doing the leaves, could do some leaves. There we go. Now it's not so, you know. There we go. Perfect. All done. Now then, we'll do something else again. I mean, we've got plenty of time to get these pages done, but there we go. And like I was saying, that kind of turned out rounding, so I like that. I'm not going to argue with progress of any kind, right? All right, guys, thank you for hanging out with me on this beautiful Tuesday. I hope your week is going well, and stay tuned for more journaling fun. We'll get something done in there, and then something done in one of the fall journals. All right, stay tuned, and I'll be with you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.